Hey everybody, G7 Healing here. Thanks for joining me. Man, I'm in a mood today, viewer. I am in a good mood. I'm getting all these songs in my head. One in particular. Da-na-na-na-na, 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 na-na-na-na-na. I gotta look it up. I don't know what it is. It's an oldie but goodie. All right, viewer, let's talk about the King of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Big message here from the shorts. It's going to bring somebody great joy, great victory, a feeling of achievements, something you've been working so hard on achieving. It is here. It is justifiable. It's justified. This is all about hard work paying off. And I'm talking about in the biggest way possible. Financially, emotionally. All because you stayed grounded, you stayed focused, you are stable and secure with who you are, what you want. A clear intention brings a manifestation. And I'm talking about good intentions. This is only happening because the viewer walks in love and light. Believes in what's wrong, needs to be justified, needs to be handled with and dealt with in physical form. Something's paying off here, viewer. You did something here. Congratulations. You should be very proud of yourself. Now with that Hierophant group, right next to it, I'm getting clarification, not how to navigate. You have to listen very closely to my shorts here. This is clarifying the King of Pentacles. There's something about this Hierophant group, and I'm not getting a very good one. One that says they walk in light, but they actually really don't. You got to check out those shorts. This talks about everything, anything that you're seeking, any type of wisdom. It comes from within you. You know the truth. You know how you feel. If something makes you feel in a low vibration, hatred, pain, regret, envy, jealousy, especially if that feeling comes with revenge and retaliation from borrowed spiritual tools, it's time to regroup, disconnect, disengage, and get your mind right. You can adapt your own spiritual belief system rather than going blindly and following others just because they say what it is. It's all about doing your own, little investigation. Investigate. I'm getting a front, a church-like, supposedly walking the light of of God and the divine in love and light, but in the back room, underneath the ground, basements, whatever, tunnels, whatever, they walk a different walk. They talk a big talk, and their actions are cruel. Their intentions are not what they say they are until they get somebody locked in. Lies, lies, lies. That's all I'm getting is lies, 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 blah, blah, blah. But let's focus on the positive note here. You, viewer, and I am getting a masculine energy here. Doesn't matter if you're feminine or not. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter the gender. I'm getting a strong masculine energy. Doesn't matter if you're female or male, okay? I'm going to get some clarification on this, but let me tell you something. You beat some type of demon. Demons. Oh my divine. Look what just popped out. The Hierophant reversed. This clarifies what I was just talking about. I clarified the Hierophant for the clarification for the shorts. And I was like, okay, Hierophant group, okay, this could be like-minded people, same morals, values, beliefs, in love and light. Because when it's upright, it's a feel good. I clarified it. And I know you can't see it, but the devil came out. That's how I knew to read the clarification in the reverse. And this is confirmation I am correct. Somebody was misled by lies. Somebody was also misled because they were used to vibrating on that low vibration of, fine, they get what they deserve. They're bad people, so we're going to do this. See, but they don't understand the lies were that that person wasn't bad in the first place. This King of Pentacles energy that I'm talking to did their homework. Figured it out. Through their resources, through their very mature emotional understandings, their feelers, being emotionally grounded, understanding what's right and what's wrong. This group is all about money. Screwing people over for money. But let me tell you something. Them messing with this King of Pentacles and or anybody else that walks in light, that is a divine, I'm getting a divine being here, is really screwed. You don't mess with the divine ones. Let's clarify, please, more. Like I said in my shorts, this person is slaying this group because of their Empress. I do the shorts first. These cards are just coming out afterwards. This is just confirmation. Confirmation. Before we flip over the rest of the cards, I'm going to go ahead and clear the energy. Angels, spirit guides, universe, ancestors divine, please make me a clear vessel of love, light, and healing. Please protect this viewer, myself, and this reading. I appreciate you so much and thank you. Wow, big message here, viewer. Big message. I'm picking up a very strong masculine energy here. Someone that stands strongly in their masculine energy. They ain't playing with nobody no more. They cannot be fooled any longer. All right, it's been some time. Clarify. The King of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, here we go. New beginnings. New opportunities. Manifestations are granted through love and light of abundance and prosperity. This is clarifying stability and security upon stability and security. There's a new beginning because something's getting shut down here. This Hierophant group is getting shut down. All because they messed with their Empress. And that's what I'm picking up. There's no gender on this channel. All because they messed with their divine counterpart. And that's the truth. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles. Rapid progression. There's a breakthrough here. There's something that's about to take off. Something's going to be handled. There's going to be communication on a new beginning from a clean slate. This whole situation is coming to an end. You got to listen to my last reading, man. I'm telling you, it goes hand in hand. I'm picking up the same energy, somewhat. This is actually going specifically for a masculine energy, though. A very powerful masculine. Someone that has much resources around him. Them, whatever. Page of Swords to clarify this Hierophant group that's no bueno. They're being heavily watched by the authorities. They're being heavily watched. Not only that, they're watching to see what's going to happen next. What I'm picking up is the King of Swords under the deck. they're in a good position. This King of Pentacles, King of Swords energy is in a very good position of authority. And it's all about a group that's about to get blocked. Everything's coming to light. What's done in the dark comes to light. I'm telling you, people, man, people got to stop messing with spiritual tools. Because remember, spiritual tools are only borrowed tools. They come back with interest when it doesn't deliver. When you can't deliver back to what you borrowed, there's some major backlash. And that's the truth. If you walk in love and light, you don't need no spiritual tools. All you need is the Most High God. The Most High. The Divine. Everybody knows that walks in love and light. That's your first red flag. Does this group use borrowed spiritual tools? If yes, get the F out. Period. Doesn't matter if it's candle work. Doesn't matter if it's chanting. It doesn't matter. Voodoo dolls, blah, blah, blah. They used everything. If a group uses borrowed spiritual tools, get the F out. Get away as fast as you can. Call the authorities. Because that is unlawful. That is against the law. Please clarify the Page of Swords. The Tower reversed, man. I'm telling you, man. That's a doozy. It's a doozy. It's a doozy. We're talking major Tower moment. This group will be dismantled. I heard the word dismantled. If you can get out now. Whoever's listening to me. But the viewer who I'm talking to slayed this group. Slayed. And rightfully so. The Tower reversed is not understanding the divine intervention. It had to completely crumble down to the point of, I'm going beyond spiritual here. This may mean prison. This may mean jail. This may mean some type of time. You do the crime, you do the time. Just like my last reading. This is very, very similar to this, to that reading. Clarify the Tower. Okay. All for money. All for status quo. The Queen of Pentacles upright is high in status quo. I'm talking about status quo with money. Has the resources, as in money, to actually back up this group money-wise. Someone's money is going to be taken away. They're going to be left with nothing. Nothing. All because his King of Pentacles, confirmation. All because his King of Pentacles slayed them in the right way, in the right timing. I'm getting a lot of patience here by this King of Pentacles, putting everything master plan in place, piece by piece by piece, and it's going to make the ultimate Tower moment for this group. This just fell off. I cannot believe that. The Hierophant group fell off. Let's see what led up to this. Yeah. Something wasn't fair. Something wasn't right. This King of Pentacles was listening and understanding what this group's intentions were, what their lies were, really believing it, but something inside of them didn't feel good because it was about an empress, about their divine counterpart, that they couldn't see what they were saying. Did they believe it at first? Yeah, they did. But doesn't mean they did anything against their empress. What happened is they decided to investigate. I'm going to see and figure it out myself. I'm going to test this and see what's right, what's wrong. And what they found out is how deeply loved that they were and how deeply they loved them. It's really hard not to follow your friends. I get that. But this King of Pentacles, who I'm talking about, is the lone wolf. And let me tell you, man, claws out, claws well done. You did it. You should be so proud of yourself. This masculine energy has slain a group from moving forward to doing any more harm against any other innocent person, beings, breeds, whatever. Clarify the Six of Pentacles, please. Thank you. Yeah. Past is all about working on doing what's right, working on fixing something that maybe they had some part of breaking. But that's okay. They're fixing it. The divine will never, ever turn their back on you if you're willing to fix a situation that you catered to something that you know now was wrong, was a mistake. Fixing something will give you a clear slate of good karma, or karma in general. This person, this King of Pentacles, took control of a situation after listening to others, started hearing and investigating, getting their own information from their own knowledge, their own investigation. They had to see through something. It might have taken a while, but that's okay. Because whatever this is, the timing and the order of this situation is happening in perfect timing, perfect way, in perfect order. This King of Pentacles has been working on this for a long time. Very patient. Very, very diligent and very consistent to bring down and I cannot make this up. What did I just say right before that? This came up before I hit the record button. Now it came down in reverse. The devil in reverse. This group was fake. They claimed they walked the light of God, when behind the doors, behind the scenes, underground, they practiced other things. Witchcraft. They borrowed tools. And what happens when you borrow tools, spiritual tools, from demonic energies? It comes back with interest when you can't deliver what you promised from borrowing the tools in the first place. Period. Let's get that outcome. This King of Pentacles has graduated from balancing out all four kings, all four elements into the Emperor power. They've always been kind of a boss-like energy, I'm just saying. Their energy is very big, very resourceful. But they're graduating to this Emperor boss-like energy where they have their own authority. They're in control. They are in the ultimate control of their own domain. I'm telling you, this Emperor, this King of Pentacles Emperor is a boss. You can't mess with this person. But see, that's why they try to get them in the first place, because they needed their resources. They needed their energy. He figured out that they were harnessing his energy as well to go against his empress. That's a big no-no. Clarify the emperor. Judgment Day comes out. Judgment for all involved. Divine intervention to the fullest. The Tower reversed and the Judgment card, that's a doozy. The Devil reversed, the Tower reversed, Judgment upright, doozy. The Hierophant reversed, the Devil reversed, the Tower reversed, the Judgment upright, doozy. I'm telling you, this Emperor is slaying this group for his divine counterpart. These people are going to be mortified, embarrassed, shocked, blindsided. They ain't gonna see it coming. Because borrowed tools come back with interest, the Magician reversed. You cannot borrow spiritual tools against a divine beings. Period. This Emperor's coming back, slaying with authority, making wrongs right, putting them in their place because of their lack of discipline. Their lack of discipline has exceeded an expiration date. Whew, that's a big message, and here we go. An inevitable ending. Closure. Done. Game over. All because they walk in an imbalancement. All because they feel they are owed something. Through lies, through manipulation. But people recognize now. Because like I said before, that red flag, remember that red flag? If you find yourself in a group, doesn't matter if it's a church or not, if they somehow get you to a place where they're doing rituals with borrowed tools, candle work, incense, whatever it is, I don't even know what the fuck they use. Red flag, get the fuck out. Period. I'm sorry I'm swearing, but you know, yeah. Let's get an angel message. Empty promises on borrowed tools. I don't care what people say. Hey, well, I can do this for you. That backlash, that karmic backlash on that borrowed tool interest is a doozy. Balance. Number 1477. The need for balance and moderation, cooperation and compromise. Wait for perfect timing. Whatever that means to you, viewer, you know what it means. All right, viewer, I'm going to leave it here. Love you. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.